Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Kumar, and in this video I am going to discuss this 1 mark question from GATE 2022 EC branch, and this question is from network theory, right? So in this question we have to determine the current I in this circuit, okay? So this is a very simple circuit. So how to determine this current I? Let us apply the nodal analysis in this question. So this question can be solved by using the nodal analysis. So let us say that the node voltage at this node is V1 and this is node 1, right? And one of the node is grounded. So this second node is already grounded here, right? So now apply the KCL at node 1, right? So the current in this branch is V1 minus 5 volt upon the resistance is 2 kilo ohm. So upon 2 kilo plus current in this branch. These are the outgoing currents. So this is V1 upon 2 kilo. Now here you can see that this 10 to the power minus 3 ampere is the incoming current to this node 1, right? And these currents are the outgoing current. Therefore, these outgoing current will be equals to this incoming current. That means the sum of these outgoing current will be equals to incoming current, which is 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Now take the LCM, that is 2 kilo, and this will be becomes 2V1 minus 5. That will be equals to 10 to the power minus 3. Now solve this equation for V1. So this is 2V1 minus 5. This is 2 kilo. Kilo means 10 to the power 3 and into 10 to the power minus 3. So this will become 1. So 2 into 10 to the power 3 and 10 to the power minus 3 cancels. So this will be 2. So now 2V1 equals to 5. 2V1 minus 5 will be equals to 2. From here we will get 2V1 is equals to 5 plus 2, that is 7. And then we will get the value of V1 from here. V1 is equals to 7 by 2, which is nothing but V1 is equals to 3.5 volt. So we have obtained the node voltage V1, that is 3.5 volt, right? So this voltage V1 is 3.5 volt. Now this is the current I, is flowing in this direction. So current I can be found by this formula, that is 5 minus this V1 upon this resistance 2 kilo ohm. So this is 5 minus V1 upon 2 kilo ohm. So this can be equals to 5 minus V1 is 3.5 volt upon 2 kilo ohm. Now solve it. This will be equals to 5 minus 3.5 will be equals to 1.5 upon 2 kilo ohm. So this will become 1.5 divided by 2 is 0.75, and this kilo when comes in the numerator, this will be become 10 to the power minus 3. So the current I is 0.75 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. So this is the value of the current which is asked in the question, and this value of current is given in the option B. So the correct answer for this question is option B. So this question is very easy question. In only few seconds you can get the answer and get 1 mark. So this completes the solution for this question. And friends, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get the latest notification. Thank you.